attempt at causing religious disharmony. Ladies and gentlemen of the press, members of the diplomatic community, members of security agencies, representatives of civil society organizations, representatives of non-governmental organizations, representatives of religious bodies. The deliberate attempt at causing this religious disharmony in Nigeria, the leadership of the Young Christian Forum of Nigeria warmly welcome all and sundry to this press conference, converged in light of the recent report released by Mike Pompeo, a former Secretary of the State of the United States of America, wherein he mischievously alleged that Christians in Nigeria had been targeted for extinction, adding that the administration of President Muhammadu Buhari is not doing enough to protect religious freedom. The Young Christian Forum of Nigeria views such allegations as a collective insult of the sensibilities of the various religious groups in Nigeria, because the report is laced with mischief and well-orchestrated attempt at puncturing religious harmony in Nigeria. A critical look at the report reveals that Mike Pompeo ventured into an area he lacked adequate knowledge. It is therefore bemusing that a former high-ranking official of the United States of America could issue such a misleading report without minding the consequences of actions on the psyche of the adherents of various religious groups in Nigeria. Thus, our considered opinion that Mike Pompeo has by his action displayed his bias and irritability with the administration of President Muhammadu Buhari in its efforts so far at ensuring religious harmony in Nigeria. The Young Christian Forum of Nigeria also frowns at the deliberate attack on the Muhammadu Buhari-led administration, where he alleged that Buhari administration had suppressed the news of the killings of Christians by masking it as a former header crisis. This is unfortunate. Our position remains that Mike Pompeo is out on a slander campaign, given that the empirical evidence cannot back his position. Instead, a display of ignorance and playing to the gallery with an issue of such sensitivity. Mike Pompeo is hell-bent on sowing the seed of discord against the various religious groups in the country for reasons best known to him and his paymasters, for whatever it is worth. The Young Christian Forum of Nigeria uses this medium to send a message to Mike Pompeo that he can't be more Nigerian than Nigerians. We should do well to cross-check information gleaned from blogs and his paid foot soldiers to preserve whatever is left of his reputation. The Young Christian Forum of Nigeria wishes to advise Mike Pompeo to devote more time and energy in studying the history of the farmers' header conflict in Nigeria to realize that it predates the Muhammadu Buhari administration. He must also do well to recognize that the press in Nigeria is vibrant and there is no way such killings can be unreported, as he has alluded in his mischief-laced report. Consequently, the Young Christian Forum of Nigeria wishes to state unequivocal terms that no Nigerian has been denied their right to religious beliefs or practice, nor are Nigerians persecuted because of their faith. As members of the critical constituency, it is vital to remind Mike Pompeo to consult religious stakeholders in the country whenever he feels the urge to contribute to the discourse about Nigeria. He should desist from illogical conclusions and outright insinuations, as in this case. The Young Christian Forum states that, from all indications, the overarching objective of Mike Pompeo is causing religious disharmony in Nigeria, which in our considered opinion has been on the card since his stint as the Secretary of State in former administration in the United States of America. We therefore wish to warn Mike Pompeo and his co-travelers to desist from that despicable plot, as Nigerians are not that gullible not to see the handwriting on the wall. We also advise that they channel their energies and resources towards more charitable ventures that would impact positively rather than negatively. As critical stakeholders in Nigeria, the Young Christian Forum of Nigeria debunks the allusions made by Mike Pompeo in his report, as there is no iota of truth in it. It therefore remains a figment of his imagination. We, Therefore, urge all religious groups in Nigeria to continue to have religious tolerance as a watchword in our quest for sustainable growth and development. We must resist the urge to fall for the disjointed narrative pushed forward by the likes of Mike Pompeo, who are ignorant and mischievous in their posturing. We as Nigerians must rise in defense of our country in these trying times, and never shall we allow despicable elements to succeed in sowing the seed of discord amongst us. We thank you for your time and attention and urge you all to take this message of hope to your various constituencies. May God bless Nigeria and protect us from adversaries from near and far. This is indeed a deliberate attempt at causing religious disharmony in Nigeria. Thank you. Ronald Efah, Secretary General.